guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we have a wig review, and this wig was sent to me from a seller on Amazon, and I will put their name right here so you guys could see the name. So this is a deep wave curly wig, and it's a 4x1, so you only get this much of lace right here. And I actually love this company. I worked with them before, and I really love their deep wave curly hair. Now, one thing I like about this wig is not dry in the end. The hair is very moisturized. See, like, it looks really nice. It's not that harsh in the end. Really pretty. So all I did, I just comb it out and just add some water in it. I just put a little powder in the middle, and that's about it. This is a 14-inch deep wave, currently unavailable on the Amazon website, but I'll try to find it on their website. I'm not sure if they have an actual website, but I'll try to find it and put it in the link for you guys. I will also have it in my storefront. It will be right there for you guys. This is perfect, girl. This is perfect for the summertime. Or you're going to a water park or something like that, and you just want something that looks really natural. This is the wig, okay? I actually love it. And look at this. The curl pattern is so beautiful. Love it, okay? So right now it's drying down. So this is what the curls looks like right here when it dry down. It really don't look that bad. So this is an Abijal lace front wig, and it's actually human hair. So this is deep wave 4x1. And it's also pre-plucked, and this is a 14-inch that they sent to me. So this is the amount of lace that you get right there. This piece right here is covering the track. Okay, so I just leave it like that because I don't want the track to show, because I'm about to go out, you know, after this. So I'm gonna wear this wig outside, so you know I gotta look good. It looks so pretty on me. I wish I had like a longer one, but it's okay. I really do like this anyway. You guys gonna see in the video what I did. It's like, this is a very quick, simple video. I wanted to just show you guys this wig. Now, it came in this plastic bag here, and I got some other goodies that I always get, so I didn't really want to repeat myself, but I got a cap and some other things I got in the bag. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wig. Everything will be listed in the description box down below. I always list everything. Some of you guys always asking me the same thing I always say in the video, but that's fine. You guys can ask me so many times, that's okay. So just check the description box down below, girl. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.